Outstanding.
Welcome again to another tutorial video. It's a boy Elrod and Ting. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button until it turns blue, and visit my website at eldoradoproductions.com. Link in the description where you can get a bunch of goodies there. Now I'm here with another video, as I said before, in regards to a plugin that I use on this particular mastering, and it's no other than Alicia's character plugin. Now this is a discrete class A saturation plugin, and man, and I'm telling you, I have been using this plugin for some months now, and practically over 4 months, and I have the share, you know, the sauce with it also. So um let me go over a few things on this plugin quick and fast, because I don't really want to waste of time. Anyways, you have this plugin automatically oversample. It does not give you the option it's really weird. It does not give it the option to select which over sample rate you want to use. However, if it below a certain, like below, say for instance, 100, samples per second, or 100,000 samples per second, it oversamples 2 times, and if it's below 50 or 48, it oversamples by 4. It puts more strain on your system, or use more of your CPU power, should I say. And what this does, it helps to reduce aliasing and a few more things. Now, this particular session that I have it on, I go through the controls before and why I may really choose that. I'm going to make it here the before and after, and we'll also play with it a little to drive the plugin really wild and crazy, so you can really hear the effects of the plugin. Now you have the MS mode at the top, you have turbo boost, and you have a fetch shred selection button here. Explain that in a minute. And the right on and off switch, in which you can have the both sides independent, or you can have them control one knob and two knob them were just the same. Now for the fetch shred off, the module that is select is a tube inspired module. When the FET is on, with the LED on, it is a master grade saturator modules being selected. So you have a bit of what you really want to use on a mastering session. Now here on the color, obviously you know what the drive is, the amount of distortion you really want, like how heavy you want the distortion. Now the color section of this plugin, you turn it to the left, you get more like dub or heavier low mids to lows, more type of distortion, and to the right you get more mids and high, depending on where you really want to affect the signal. So it is like somewhat of a filter knob, but it's like you can select where you really want more of the frequency is. I suggested the boost is like it boosts the fetch shred module by is like, as all them say, it puts it on steroids. So it give it a extra boost. And the mix knob here, you can have it 100%. To the left it's 100% dry, in the middle you get the bit both of the same world, and to the width it's full on saturation. Now with the color, back to the color, in the middle up here, it is in between, but you can select how you really need how much of what color you're going for, or whatever color more you need on the particular master or the mix that you're using it on. You can get, you know, the, put it where you really need, or you need it, or how it sound desired to you using it on your mix. Now for this particular master, just play with it. I destroyed the sound right there. So you have an idea how aggressive this this plugin can behave. It is it can be very dangerous if you don't know what to do, because the controls are different from traditional controls that you might see on plugins, but the principle is pretty much the same, as you can check from a previous video with another plugin that I did a tutorial on, with way more control than this. But once you get to understand the plugin, you can really get the most out of it. So the best we can tell you what to do is just slap it on the track and just play with it. You know, just slap it on any track whatsoever and play with it and see how you can get what the sound want. Don't wait until you know you're going to you're mixing a session and you say, all right, let me just use this plugin and see what it does. Yeah, you can do that, no problem. But I mean, just have some fun with the plugin first. Yeah, so you can really get to understand a little of the characteristic of the plugin or how it works. So you know, have to really guess. I wonder what this do and whatever that do, and whatever the case may be. You know, guessing your plugin. You know, but for this particular plugin, as you can hear, it adds a lot of weight to me destroy the sound. So you can use it on your bass in parallel for really add some distortion. You can use it on the kick. You can use it on your drum bus. You know, you can use it on your synth to add more body to your synth, and whatever the case may be. But for this one, I did it on a mastering session. As they say, it's a mastering grade plugin. So, you know, me just, yeah, if you make you get the understanding of it. So thank you again for watching another video, and hope you really appreciate it. Hope you really like it. So it's a boy Eldorado. Until another time I catch you in another video. Peace out.